Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Tell the wide world. You were saying something.
So you said
Yeah, come on.
I have been benefited by. Yes.
he destroyed you and you lost some 70 lakhs of property.
No, he didn't destroy me.
Ah.
I was ruined.
I see.
Totally. Completely. And I was thrown to the streets.
Oh, you lost 70 lakhs property. You did
17
what?
lakhs worth of property in the Bannerghatta area at my own ashram. And prior to that, I was to get 17 crores worth of property and a pontification of the biggest mutt that in Karnataka state. And I was about to be coronated. Instead of getting coronation, I was locked up in a room. That's my position. That's my fate. Can you imagine?
And all this happened due to his influence on you.
No, he just locked me up in a room. I was about to, on the day of coronation there, I was locked up in a room,
So you were physically prevented by him.
physically locked up. And I was given only a ready-made soup. Instead of Panchabhaksha Paramanna. So what, and one man, one Ramdas, he was in States. He came to Bangalore. He visited my ashram. So he saw the ashram and the activities going on. He was so much pleased. And he said, I would like to give 1 lakh to the ashram. Unfortunately, I told him there is one Krishnamurti, go and meet him also. Because he was coming from America, I thought he would be interested. He came and met him. He said, I want to do this. Paraman said, don't turn that side, don't go that side. Don't meet him again. And he has never met me again. And let alone 1 lakh, not even 1 rupee I got. And one man from Canada, Ross, he came to my ashram. So he was very much enamored. He wanted to stay there and have a cottage. So he drew up a drawing. Then on his way back to Canada, I went to Bombay and met him. So I was expecting the dollars from Canada to build that cottage. And he never wrote, I never saw him. Then I came to know that he was the person to prevent him from sending anything or to do anything with me. And I had 16 students, all faithful, loyal, obedient, and they were taking good care of me also. He drove them all out. And I lost that small ashram which I had in the Sringeri Mutt here, Bangalore, a fine place. His entry allowed him to stay there, so I was removed from there. So I invited him to the ashram. I was kicked out there. So I thought of helping him to get a good house in Bangalore by going to the Sringeri Mutt. I was locked up in the room. And now Bhavaji Bhikshan Dehi. What to do?
I'm not responsible.
Totally, entirely, fully, completely is responsible.
You would have been murdered long time ago.
That is your story. Sorry.
My story, real story. They were printing 100 rupee notes that Sangarmat, what do you call that?
Sringeri Mutt, sir.
No, there is one more powerful.
Yes.
richer- Kudli Mutt.
Ah.
Kudli Mutt. They were printing 100 rupee notes. They would have put him in prison or murdered him.
No one had the guts to touch me or take me to anywhere. The jail, the whole Karnataka government. There's the position, even that spot, all influence I had, all the contact I had, all the privileges I had from the government.
You believe all that?
So that's a prarabdha.
You will build your own ashram, but
ಅದು ಪೋಚೆಯಾ?
ಅದು ಗೋಚ.
ನಾವು வீட்டு இல்லை ஒன்றும் இல்லைம்மா ಅವ್ರಿಗ ಅಯ್ಯಪ್ಪ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೋದಾಗ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೇನು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ
So in that radio interview, he asked you a question, sir, about what is the cause for the difference in births and in the status of human beings. You answered the first part saying that the genetic engineering is going to correct the defects of birth. The second part, sir, how about the education?
It can be corrected by us.
How is it that people are still?
He is responsible.
No, some people achieve great fame with
That's also
least effort.
That's also genetically programmed. But social inequalities are created by people like him.
So they are helping to
What
remove the
helping? When?
inequality.
How long?
As long as people don't understand
Yes, yes.
and
You
follow
can-
people like you instead of our tradition, instead
Nobody is
of our
following me, they are
sages,
following you.
seers and sages,
Where are they?
Adveshta, Sarvabhuta,
Where
we
are-
say, and again you are doing Dvesha, what shall you do?
What is it? What does he say?
Adveshta, Sarvabhutanam, Maitra, Karuna,
Summa kada idella.
Nirmamo,
People
Nirahankara,
are starving,
Samadukka,
suffering.
Sukha, Kshami,